Bye. You say apple.
The apple.
Do you see a monkey?
Maybe it's a monkey.
You're a monkey.
A big monkey.
There's a big monkey.
It's a monkey.
Loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode with the Beck fam. Crazy day today. As you can see behind me, we live in the desert, but it's snowing. It's about 30 degrees outside. It's still super early, so we haven't gotten the kids up. Wasn't going to do a YouTube video today, but because it's snowing out here in the desert, we're going to give it a shot. We're going to let the kids come out, build a snowman. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you go on and you like, subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up if you thought it was something cool. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Do you want to build a snowman? Who's this? Olaf! Give him a hug and a kiss. Go, mwah! Olaf. Mwah! Give him a kiss, Rocky. Mwah! Where are you gonna go in those boots of yours? Come here. Can you walk to me? I don't think you fit, kid. Good try. Good job.
Yeah.
Here, you want to see yourself? Look. There you are.
No.
What do you want to talk about? Say, whoops, sorry.
What's sorry?
It's okay.
It's okay.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Sorry.
I love you.
It's okay.
It is okay.
Yeah.
I love you. No touch. Happy Valentine's Day, Rocky. Hey, who's excited to go outside? Yeah, everyone looks so cute. Hey, Shuggy Buggy. Come on, let's go. Rocky, I love the outfit, dude.
Yeah.
He's styling.
He's so hat.
Nice little hat.
I don't know if Rocky will wear that one.
Come on, little one. Let's go outside. Come on. Come on, Callie. Come on, Rocky. Come on, my little man. Hi, little one. Hey, Bubba. Go play in the snow. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. What? You like it?
Are you making a snowman?
Let's not lie down.
No.
Let's not do that. All the snow and you guys want to play in the water?
The water babies, I think. Aww.
Wait!
You guys are so sweet. Put Callie over there.
Yellow!
Yellow. Don't eat yellow snow. You hear me? Ooh, Elsa. Where's Olaf?
Owl.
Who's that? Give him a kiss. Mwah. Olaf. Give him a hug.
Owl.
Olaf. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Don't put him in there. It's
No.
water. Water.
Owl.
Water.
Owl.
Whoa! Well, welcome back. A few days ago, it was actually covered in snow out here. And now it's almost 80 degrees, and we are in shorts and t-shirts playing, which is absolutely insane, out here in the backyard when we were literally in snowsuits like 4 days ago. It's crazy. Here's my girl coming over to do her vlog. Are you coming to vlog? Do you want some help?
Okay. Okay.
Hey, Bug. Tell me a story. Hi.
Hi. Mommy.
Mommy.
Mommy. Mommy.
So we've actually taken a few days off from filming. We've got a lot of little projects going on around the house. We're trying to finish up the RV, which we're putting new flooring in. And hopefully we're going to do the reveal here in the next couple weeks and get back on the road, do a little more traveling. Our goal is probably to go out to Colorado, maybe out to California once more of the restrictions are up, and get out there by the ocean a little bit for the spring. But hopefully still get up into Telluride, Steamboat area, get out into the mountains, maybe do some skiing. Me do some skiing and the kids do some, what do kids do? Tubing? Kids will go tubing. What else is happening? I don't know. Really weird weather. It's been a crazy time in Texas. Luckily, El Paso is not on the power grid for the rest of Texas. So we had power the entire time. We didn't have to boil water. We're very lucky in those regards. But it was still kind of a pain for us because of the RV. We weren't able to get up there because of the snow. So I think the pipes froze, so I've got some work to do on that end as well to get it ready to go again. What do you think of this weather? It's a balmy 78 degrees. A few days ago, it was snowing out here. You want to put some water in your water table?
Green light! Green light! Green light!
Rocky, where are you? Do you want to take your shoes off too? Whoa, kiddos. Say, excuse me. Kid, what are you doing? Kid. Say, I kid.
Mommy, shoes.
Do you want to take your shoes off?
What shoes?
His red shoes. Yeah, they're inside.
Okay.
Okay. You guys can't understand her baby language yet, but she speaks in sentences that I understand. Hey, buddy.
This.
What? All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed our latest YouTube video. Stay tuned. We have a lot of good stuff coming up. We're going to be back out traveling in the RV with the kiddos, doing a little more exploring all over America. America. High five. High five. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you like this video. Make sure you give it a big old thumbs up and turn on those alerts. Uh-oh. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Say bye.
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 Oof.
Bye.
Oof. Thanks for watching, everybody. Peace out.